Hi, welcome to Highbiz News. This is Vijay Kumar. After serving for more than 60 years to the world, the renowned homegrown brand with the most exotic spices, Badshah Masala, is coming with a new campaign to promote the sense of responsibility in males towards the kitchen. It believes that cooking is an art that anyone can acquire, but in India, it is a belief that only women belongs to kitchen. With its unorthodox views, Badshah Masala is working to break this stereotype and encourage men to step in the kitchen. Its new launch of the blend of exotic spices, Paneer Butter Masala, is coming along with this one-of-a-kind campaign, which is promoting a new contemplation of male participation in the kitchen. When it becomes impossible to decide what to cook on the basis of kuch bhi bana do, then Paneer Butter Masala is the go-to menu option for most of the households in India. So, through considering the nationwide love that this dish receives, Badshah Masala has launched its very own blend of spices to make India's favorite Paneer Butter Masala. But this spicy and sweet gift is not coming alone. It is also promoting the initiative to increase the male engagement in the kitchens. To make this initiative more visible and effective, it has filmed an advertisement in which a mother tells her son that his grandmother advised his father to use Badshah Masala. And now, like his grandmother, she is advising him to step in the kitchen with Badshah Masala. This advertisement not only signifies the propensity of revolution in the male-dominated society, but also the inclination of one of the most trusted and old brands towards modernization. Sharing his thoughts on this delectable blend of spices and this revolutionary initiative for social cause, Hemant Jhaveri, managing partner, said, as being one of the most experienced and trusted Indian spices brands, it is our responsibility to serve our customers with best, and also we owe the society or its love that it is showering on us from more than 6 decades. So in return, with our expertise in blending exotic spices to make one incredible taste, we have launched Paneer Butter Masala with an initiative to increase male engagement in the kitchens. We are confident that like this new blend of spices, our initiative will also become a part of our customers' lives. Badshah Masala is an Indian spices manufacturer brand that has served for more than 6 decades to the world. As India is a field of aromatic and exotic spices, Badshah Masala is picking these herbs from the best of these fields and blending them to make a wide range of masalas for different dishes like biryani pulao masala, chana masala, curry masala, dhansak masala and many more. They also produce instant tea masala with different innumerable flavors. Thank you for watching Highbiz News.